Hi, this is Michael from Database Dreams. What we're going to do today is we're going to add a recording using the import tracks system. But first of all, we've got to find our recording. So as I'm using the end of year charts for 1994, I'll show you how I get to that very quickly. Click on charts, click on to-dos, and as you can see, I've created a list here. I'll show you in other videos how to do all this of the actual charts I want. So I'll just click on that one, which is one I'm using to, or one I'm using at the moment. I'll just go down the list. Now I know, excuse me, I know exactly roughly where I am, which is there, as I checked it a minute ago. Right, so just open it up. Now, as you can see, you can filter out all the recordings just by album. Alright, the one we want is this one here, Crazy Sexy Cool. Now what I use a couple of websites, Music Brains and Disc Dogs for the actual information. So if you electronic hip hop, funk, soul. So what we want to do is we want to update that. Right. So electronic, hip hop. As you can see, it automatically fills it in for me. Funk. Oh. Alright. Now as they're not styles, then R&B swing is a style, alright? Alright, you see it comes straight up with it. Now we need to add a picture, so let's add a picture. Now as you can see, if I take you back one quickly, down here, music, artist music folder. Now don't click that again. Once it's actually added there, I'm going to alter that slightly later, but if you double click that, it comes up with that. They're the albums I've got of theirs. Alright, and this is their folder for their pictures and everything else. Alright, so but you should, if you've got music folder for them, then you will need to add it here for what I'm going to do now. Alright, also there's this bit. Alright, you can copy the whatever they are, producers, lyrics by blah blah blah, and if you want to use the analyst with them, just click on the analyst. Right. Alright, now as you can see, this is TLC was obviously very popular in America. They sold 12 million copies in America and didn't do so well in the UK with only about 300,000, I think. But anyway, if you let's go back there. If you want to check to see if there's any more for TLC in there, because sometimes the names are not quite right. We know we got the name TLC, because that's right. So let's just type in here TLC. Alright, and see, that's one that's not been able to be found. Alright, so let's copy that. Right, you see that's Now and Forever, the hits. The name's slightly different, so what I do is I double click, change the name there, or add autocorrect by double clicking that, right? And then click add that, and you see it's added that. So if I go to Now and Forever, there, you see it's added the award it found. Alright, but anyway, let's go back to where we were. Alright, now we won't add the picture. Go to covers. What happens when you create a new artist, you have the option of creating folders as well. It will ask if you want to create the folders. If you say yes, it will do it. Otherwise, you'll have to do it for yourself. Alright, let's go to albums, and that's what we want. Now I've got this album. Alright, now let's go down and get the catalogue number. Alright, so let's just go there. Now I can get the catalogue number off the charts, but I prefer to do it this way because this is the actual, it should be the actual track. I've double checked, I haven't already checked this, and it's the actual track listing for what I'm going to import. So now if we go to get tracks from file, click the open folder button. See there, just click the folder you want. Alright, you'll see there's nothing inside it, but you can open it if you want. It doesn't really matter. You just click it, or you can actually open it as this is. Alright, and it's gone and got all the information for you. Alright, now let's just have a quick look. See, so you can see it's pretty much the same. As you can see, artist ID has been filled out automatically, and it's actually found some track IDs. So if we double click on that, alright, that shows you the name of the track and who else has done it. Alright, again there, TLC, Waterfalls, and this one here, Switch, Sugar Babes, Def Leppard, and Will Smith. Alright, now if you want to have a look, if you look through that and you see there's no special characters or anything like digging on you, there could be a copy of that. Oh, nope. Alright, so now I've had a quick check. I'm just going to add the whole track list. Alright, see where the numbers come up there. Alright, double click it doesn't come up with nothing because it hasn't actually been added to the system yet. Alright, this is actually just so you can work with it. Alright, you can also add, you know, anything like acoustic or bonus track or whatever you want. Alright, but again, if you double click, no, you can't do it on this one. Alright, let's add tracks to recording. Alright, as you can see, it just add them to the recording. Alright, now to play the recording, if you want to play Creep, just click that. It comes straight up. Alright, and just close it there. Alright, I'll take you through more of the music player later. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Alright, next one will be the exporting of recordings. Alright, thank you, bye.